everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 411 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Pop Pastel lip pencil. That's from the brand Santee. I've been trying out a lot from this brand lately. But so I got this from ShopMissA, therefore it was only $1 and it's cruelty free. So on the ShopMissA website, this has 4 different shades and I have it in the shade 6. And I try out a lot of dollar store makeup pencils that I get from ShopMissA and I just really enjoy trying them out. There's how much product we get, which this seems to be the same amount of product in all of those pencil chubby stick makeup products that I try out that are only $1. So let's see how this one swatches. Ooh, just glides on so nicely, and that is some nice pigment. Not much of a scent to this. Ooh, I actually really like that color. I'm very interested to see how it's gonna look on my lips because it kind of looks like a natural lip shade, like similar to my natural lip shade, but maybe just a little bit nicer. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so quick and easy to apply, and this has such a beautiful finish to it. I'm like, is it metallic? Is it glossy? It's like an in-between actually. I can't quite put my finger on the finish to this, but it's really pretty. Like, it's not super shiny, it's not super shimmery, but it's a little bit shiny and a little bit shimmery. And the color looks so good. I'm pretty happy with the pigment too. It's not fully opaque, so it does kind of look more of like a wash of color, but it looks very even, so that's really nice. And I really do think this is such a beautiful shade for the spring and summer. It's just giving me those types of vibes, and I just love applying lip products that are in this chubby stick form because it's basically like a lip liner and a lipstick in one, but just so quick and easy to apply, so precise. So I really like these. I'm really drawn to the chubby stick formulas for lip products. And my dry lips just look perfect right now. They don't look dry. They just look so healthy. Oh, I was kind of expecting this product to cling to the dry patches on my lips and not look this gorgeous. Wow, I feel like I'm on a roll with great dollar store lip products these days. So wow, so happy to have this. Let's do a kiss test and see the transfer. Yeah, that's a lot of transfer, but it barely looks any different on my lips right now. So wow, I actually really like this kind of faded a little bit. Like if I were to just kind of on purpose remove the color so that I'm left with just a wash of color and just a tint, I also really like that for this product as well. I think it's a really good shade to do that type of technique. Wow. And also on the ShopMissA website, it says that these can be used on the eyes. So that's great that this is like a 2-in-1. Personally, I don't really wear pinky red shades on my eyes, but I don't really know why I don't. I guess I kind of thought that they didn't look good with my skin tone, but I would be willing to try it sometime. So great that I have this to also use as an eye color in the future. But as for a lip color, I am so happy with it. I'm really liking this kind of watermelon pink shade for the spring and summer. So maybe this will be one of my go-tos. But let me know in the comments down below what colors you love for the spring and summer, the warmer seasons, and if you do any changes to your makeup with the seasons. I'd love to know about that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.